Welcome to a short tutorial on how to create a second report in iQ-WEB RIS. As radiologist, I want to save a second report, add more information to the previous final report. For doing this task, I will go to Workflow tab. Choose the search option Manual. Now I will choose the CT lung task. Select Status Pending. Open a pending task from a patient by double-clicking. Open Reports tab. I will ensure that there is at least one final report listed. Click the plus New button to create a new report. Select the procedure in the report template. Press the green Select button. Text template for technique, observation, and summary are already entered. I can change and add information within any of the text boxes. Enter values in all mandatory fields. Press the blue Save as Final button. A second final report is added to the report list. Press the I icon on the second final report in the report row. The report displays opens and shows patient, report, and findings information containing the information of the second report. Thank you for your attention.